wondered how to make a seafood symphony at home? Welcome back to our gastronomic journey, where we're turning your kitchen into a gourmet paradise. Today we're creating a dish that sings with flavor, our seafood symphony, grilled salmon and shrimp with vibrant veggie fried rice. Let's dive in. For this dish, you'll need some fresh salmon fillets, extra large shrimps, and a medley of vegetables for the fried rice. Imagine the crunch of fresh broccoli, the sweet burst of peas, the earthy taste of carrots, and the aromatic delight of garlic and onions. You'll also need some olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper for the marinade. And let's not forget the star of our veggie fried rice, a bowl of pre-cooked rice, ready to be transformed. You'll season it to perfection with some soy sauce and a sprinkle of black pepper. It's a symphony of flavors waiting to happen. While those soak up the flavors, let's get our veggies ready. Start by marinating the salmon and shrimp in a mix of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This combination not only adds a zesty tang to our seafood, but also tenderizes it, allowing the flavors to penetrate deeply. Let the seafood bask in this aromatic bath for a good 20 minutes. That's all the time it needs to soak up the goodness. While our seafood is marinating, let's turn our attention to the grill. Preheating is key here. You want to make sure your grill is at a medium-high temperature before you place your seafood on it. This ensures that the seafood cooks evenly and gets that beautiful char we all love. Now, it's showtime. Place your salmon skin side down on the grill. The skin will protect the delicate meat from the intense heat and also crisp up to a delicious crunch. Arrange the shrimps around the salmon, ensuring there's enough space for even cooking. While our seafood is sizzling away, let's talk timing. Salmon requires a little more time on the grill compared to shrimp. Aim for about 4 minutes each side for the salmon. This will give you a perfectly cooked fillet that's flaky on the inside with a wonderfully crispy skin. The shrimp, on the other hand, need only about 2 minutes per side. You'll know they're done when they turn a beautiful pink with a slight golden hue. Be careful not to overcook them as they can turn rubbery. Once your seafood is gorgeously grilled, it's time to take them off the heat. The salmon should be moist and flaky, and the shrimp succulent and juicy. The aroma of grilled seafood mingled with the tangy marinade is simply irresistible. And there you have it. Your seafood is now grilled to perfection, ready to be paired with our vibrant veggie fried rice. Grill the salmon for about 4 minutes each side, and the shrimp for about 2 minutes per side until they're gorgeously golden. Enjoy your seafood symphony. Heat a wok or large skillet, drizzle some oil, and toss in the onions and garlic. The sizzling sound they make as they hit the pan is music to the ears, isn't it? As they dance around in the hot oil, their aroma fills the air, making your kitchen smell like a 5-star restaurant. Once they're golden and aromatic, it's time to introduce them to the diced carrots. Watch as the vibrant orange of the carrots pop against the subtle tones of the onions and garlic. Next, we add in the broccoli, those little green trees that are not just healthy, but add a nice crunch to our fried rice. Then the peas join the party, adding their sweet notes to the symphony of flavors we are creating. Now, it's time for the main act, the rice. The pre-cooked rice enters the wok, and as it meets with the vegetables, it starts to absorb their flavors. Stir fry, let the heat do its magic. Let each grain of rice get coated with the deliciousness of the vegetables. Mix well and fry until everything is hot and the rice starts to crisp up a bit. This is where we add the final touch, a generous dash of soy sauce for that umami flavor, and a sprinkle of black pepper for that slight hint of heat. And voila, your vibrant veggie fried rice is ready to steal the show. Now for the fun part, plating. Take your white and gold china plate and divide it into quarters. It's all about balance. A visually appealing plate is as important as the taste. Start with the salmon. Lay it down gently on 1/4 of the plate. Next, arrange the grilled shrimp neatly on the next quarter. Remember, we eat with our eyes first. Now, move on to the bright green broccoli. It adds a pop of color and a fresh crunch to our plate. Finally, spoon a generous serving of our colorful veggie fried rice into the last quarter. The vibrant colors of the vegetables against the white rice create a beautiful contrast. The dish is almost complete now. Give it a final flourish with some lemon wedges around the seafood and a sprinkle of fresh herbs over everything. The citrus will cut through the richness of the seafood, and the herbs will bring a freshness that ties everything together. There you have it, a dish that's as delightful to look at as it is to eat. Thanks for watching. Try this seafood symphony at home and share your creation with us. This dish is a testament to the fact that cooking is an art, and with every art form, there's always room for your personal touch. So, go ahead, play around with the flavors, and make this recipe your own. If you've enjoyed this culinary journey as much as we have, Do show us some love. A like, a share, or a comment goes a long way in supporting our efforts to bring unique and delicious recipes to your kitchen. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a beat from us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. See you next time.